So we're off to a cooking class now at a restaurant here in the Teotihuacan area, San Martín de Piramides, and we're gonna learn how to cook some pre-Hispanic food. There's always loud trucks. And then we're gonna eat it. So let's go.
¿Qué es lo tradicional acá?
We're not using oil. This is manteca. Is from the pork. Thank you.
This is the meat from
The one that we touched earlier that you can't touch.
Cebolla, ajo, chiles,
Onion, garlic, chili.
epazote, nopal, lo que encontremos ahora sí que en el campo, todo fresco.
It's all local from the fields. This is the pasote, the nopal, no, the cactus, from where we get the pre-prepared.
Aquí damos clases de cocina prehispánica, platillos de la región y de temporada. Y vamos a empezar con un pequeño...
Si gustas.
Vamos a empezar a elaborar el platillo.
Si gustas, dame chance para todos.
Chao.
¿Qué platillo es?
Welcome to El Portón. That's the name of this restaurant where they usually prepare traditional local food. In this case, we're going to have a class. We're going to prepare definitely pre-Hispanic elements like the grasshoppers and the escamol, which is the ANTS. They usually give this kind of lessons for the tourists who wants to get involved into the Mexican cuisine. Listo. Sauce or something like that. For example, the jalapeno, when it's like this, it's called jalapeno, and when it's dry, it's called chipotle. It's the same chili.
So, Lisa.
That's the protein. Try to do it with avocado. It's the same kind of sauce.
Okay, with avocado. Better.
That cooking class is embarrassingly the first cooking class that I've ever taken in Mexico. It was fun because we got to like prepare some of the ingredients and actually learned how to prepare the flowers, the courgette flowers. What are they called? Zucchini flowers. And they were super easy to prepare. I've been avoiding buying them at my tianguis because I didn't know what to do with them. So that was really cool. It was kind of like a stew of pre-Hispanic ingredients. We had the flowers, we had epazote, which is like a herb or leaf, sure someone will correct me. There were crickets, there were nopales, which are the cactus leaves, which I have thankfully figured out how to make before this, but it was really fun, it was really hands-on, and then we got to eat it afterwards in addition to several other dishes, including the one that you saw in that last clip, which was a tortilla with avocado and maguey worms. I don't know exactly what the word is in Spanish, but the maguey plant is what you get, where you get pulque and tequila and mezcal from. And these maguey worms live in the plant, and when it rains, they come out. That's like the only time they come out, which is why during the wet season, now is the time that we're able to eat them. And look, it was the first time I'd ever had them before. I've had the crickets before. Not a huge fan. They're not like offensive, but I don't think they're particularly delicious. And these maguey worms were like in a salsa, so they were sour and a little bit spicy and very vinegary. I think the vinegariness was coming from the worm and not the salsa, but maybe someone who's had them elsewhere can correct me. It was fine. It was fine. I don't need to eat them again. I don't have anything against them, but it wasn't my favorite snack, you know? But it was a really cool experience. We really got to try like a ton of different things. If you're coming to Mexico for a short period of time, it's a really cool way to really experience a lot of it in one go. It was just fun. It was a cool experience. Again, this was with a part of a tour that I was on with Teotihuacan in BC. They did not pay me to make any of these videos, although the program was paid for. I didn't have to pay to be on it. There's no obligation for me to make these videos. I just had a really good time. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. There are loads more videos coming from my trip around Estado de Mexico, which is surrounding Mexico City. It's a really great place to get out of the city and see a little bit of the nature. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more of those. And I will see you next time. Bye.